Every year, millions of people open a trading app for the first time, lose money, and quit within a month. Not because trading doesn't work, but because nobody taught them how it works. So we're asking a simple question. Can an app actually fix that? This is our honest review of Finelo, and yes, we're logging in live to show you what's exactly inside. This video is sponsored by Finelo, and now let's get started. We're not just going to read you a feature list. We logged into the actual app, poked around every tab, and we'll tell you what's genuinely useful and whether it's worth your time. And before you ask, yes, real users are rating this thing pretty well across the board. Let's find out why. Here's the thing about investing and trading content online. It's either painfully boring textbook stuff or chaotic Telegram group hype with zero structure. But Finelo's pitch is different. Turn investing, trading, and crypto education into something that feels more like a game you actually want to open every day, not a course you abandon after lesson 2. Let's see if that promise holds up. Now, the first thing you notice, Finelo doesn't dump you into a generic course. It splits learning into clear pathways: investing, trading, crypto, trading with AI, investing with AI, and passive income. And each path is broken into short, voice-guided, and readable lessons. Think bite-sized audio-visual explainers, not 40-minute lectures. And after every lesson, you get a quick practice round and a quiz to actually lock in what you learned. It's basically Duolingo, but instead of learning Spanish, you're learning how to read a candlestick chart without panicking. And here's the part of Finelo that genuinely surprised us. And it's not just click buy, click sell practice. It's an actual AI trading agent simulator. You pick an agent and each one has completely different trading personalities. There's Rex, Maya, and Byte. Think of it less like a calculator and more like watching 3 different traders with 3 different brains and learning why they make the calls they make. You set how much virtual money to put in. And yes, the labels are doing some psychology on you too. We went in with $100 and then you just watch. Rex starts trading BTC in real time and his cash balance updates live. Ours dipped to $58 at one point, down 41%. Brutal, but it's fake money, so we survived. And here's the actual standout feature though. Rex explains his reasoning as he trades, like this one. Locking in profits from early positions now reflects prudent risk management. And every single trade in the log comes with a written explanation. Why he bought, what pattern he saw, what he expected next. And beyond these trading agents, Finelo's got a whole toolkit under Explore Other AI Tools. There's a chart analyzer where you upload any screenshot of the trading chart and gives you an in-depth breakdown of what's happening. Then there's AI Market Forecaster, which gives you a sense of tomorrow's likely moves. And Smart Pattern Finder, which scans charts for patterns most beginners wouldn't catch on their own. And then the AI Mentor. This is a chat-based assistant whenever you're stuck. We actually tested how focused it stays. We threw some random questions like what day is today and what LLM model are you? And every single time it redirected us straight back to finance and investing. Then there's a gamification layer. And honestly, it's smart. There's a leaderboard where you compete against other users and track your progress over time. And then there are streaks, which work exactly like you'd expect. Log in, complete a lesson, and keep your streak alive. It sounds small, but this is the difference between an app you open and forget and one that actually builds a daily habit. Now, consistency is the entire game in trading, and Finelo is quietly engineering you into it. Now, App Store ratings can be quiet, but reviews tell the real story. Finelo is sitting at 4.6 on Trustpilot and 4.7 on Smart Customer, and most of the chatter points to the same thing. People like that it actually breaks down complex topics instead of overwhelming them. Now, is it perfect? No app teaching finance is. But the consistency in ratings across iOS, Android, and independent review sites is hard to ignore. So here comes the final verdict. If you have been wanting to actually understand trading and investing instead of just guessing your way through it, Finelo gives you 3 things most apps don't combine well: structured learning, risk-free practice, and AI tools that explain why behind every chart. It's not going to make you a millionaire overnight. Nothing legitimate will. But as a place to actually learn the game before you play with real money, it's one of the more thoughtfully built options we have tested. Now, the link is in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And if these kind of breakdowns are useful, you know what to do. Subscribe to Mobile App Daily, and we'll see you in the next one.